Probably the best one's going to be bin step of 80 and 0.8. And you could go in here, but this is just going to use an arbitrage pool. It's not normally going to generate that amount in terms of a fee. And if we flick this to something like a 2-hour fee, it shouldn't be outperforming. It's not outperforming on the 2 hours. On the 12 hours, it was outperforming. So clearly there's a whole lot of arbitrage happening with this one. So you can jump in there, but if the Aurin USDC pools are also performing pretty well, I would probably jump into these ones. This one here, bin step 50, 0.75, 1% is pretty decent. Change that to 24-hour, and well, you have to ignore that because that's not correct. But you can see that this is pretty decent. You're earning around 1.7, maybe 2% per day. Now you have to work out what system you want to do. So as an example, you might just be keen to buy the dip, something like this, a bid ask, and then work out where you want to bid to. Or you may want to go with something like this, where, well, there's very little ore here, but you could imagine it would go up like this, or just spot or curve. You can do whatever it is you want to do. For me personally, I like to keep things in range, so I'm always earning those fees. And if it's something I like, then I put the fees back into the pool. Now, the question you're probably wondering is, could this start to gather a whole lot of attention and do well? And I think so. Its market cap is 52 million. It has over 10,000 holders. There are people that use this every day. It's interesting. It's not memeable in the typical sense, but you could meme it. You could meme it in terms of like mining or mining animations, something like that. It's kind of backed by Colosseum. We've got Anatoly retweeting things that it's doing because it's basically making Solana better. So it does have that potential. However, this is not a blind shield. That's why we've given you all the information. I just think if something goes up really, really fast, it tends to retrace. But at the same time, it has attention and it's